On the Garmin Tactix and the Garmin Fenix, there is a feature that is absolutely amazing. If you want to do a round trip from where you are at a specific distance, well, you can. What you have to do for this is to simply select an activity. So you will go into the Start/Stop menu and select the activity you want to do that famous round trip. So for the example, I will go on bike, and then what I will do is press and hold the menu button once I'm into the activity and before I start it, and then I will go down to navigation. From here I will find round trip course. After that, I can select the distance that I want to travel. So if, by example, I want to do a round trip of 25 kilometers, well, I will select 25 and hit the check mark. And yes, then you can choose the direction you want to go. So if you know there is something fun to see at north, well, maybe you will want to go north, east, west, or south. Or you can go into any direction. So let's say any direction for now, and it will calculate that itinerary of about 25 kilometers. It can be a little bit more, it can be a little bit less, or if you're lucky, it can be exactly what you ask. So you will have three options. So it is actually calculating the first one. We will see what it gives. I ask for a ride of about 25 kilometers. And I like that feature because often when I'm traveling, I hate to pass twice at the same time. And this feature might be a great feature to not pass twice at the same place. So what it is, yes, I've got something. Well, I will pass twice here, but I've got a 16.5 kilometers trip. Maybe 25 is not that a great area, and it might complicate things because there is that lake just right here. But I know that I will travel 16.5 kilometers and climb 146 meter. And then I've got a course 2 of 23.6 kilometers that I almost never pass twice at the same place. And then finally I got a third course, which will be my last option, of 20.3 kilometers. So you pick the one you want to do, and let's say that this one, I said I want to do 25 kilometers, so 23.6 is great. I say go, and I got the itinerary on the watch, and the watch will tell me where and when to turn to follow that itinerary, and I can come back to the very same place I am at the end. So yeah, that's a lovely feature. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.